Hey everyone, welcome to another video. It is Transfix Studio 54, and today we are reviewing and unboxing the Star Wars Rebel Alliance Battle Pack, Lego set number 75133, 101 pieces. I'm gonna give a quick little spin of the pack, the box. You got like 2 jetpacks, a couple guns, some bullets, ammunition, and let's open these things up. I just realized I don't have my scissors. 1 second. Okay, guys, we're back, and I got my scissors. Now we just gotta. What's that? So now we just gotta cut this box open. That was cringy. Really cringy. Cutting this box open. No joke. Okay. Got it open. Let's see what's up. I thought this was like the only bag. I got confused for a second. Okay, we got a lot of interesting stuff in these. Instruction manual. We got 2 bags. Let's get built. First, let's start with the minifigure. And guys, do know 1 like equals 1 chicken nugget. While I'm doing this. Okay guys, so I finished with the minifigure, but all we gotta add now is the headpiece. And that's not the headpiece, this is the headpiece. So I'm a big fan of this minifigure. I like the jetpack piece, the helmet's pretty cool, but that same face print they use in over 60 minifigures I have right now. It also says that I have to make a gun for it, so let's do it. Okay guys, so I finished the minifigure. Now I'm gonna build the other sets of minifigures. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that few chicken nugget moments. Now time to finish this Lego set. Okay guys, here's the set all built up. Let's start over here. So here's one of them. They have articulation right there on the torso, the leg prints, and also on the jetpack. Same with this guy, except he has different articulation. And he has a different headwear. Then we got this guy. He's more of like the driver of the vehicle. But here he is. And here's like come down. And then there's the vehicle itself that's inside the set. It's pretty long. So this side it has a gun it's a stud shooter. And then over here it has 2 things on the front. There's little handles that they can hold on to. On the back over here, it's kind of like some machine gun. There's a dude back here with the same prints as this guy over here. So that's the build for today. I hope you guys all enjoyed. And don't forget, 1 like equals 1 chicken nugget. Bye.